Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about owing nothing to anyone and having the margin to be generous. Romans 13:8 says, "Let no debt remain outstanding." That is God's vision for your finances. Step 1: Acknowledge that God owns everything. Psalm 24:1, "The earth is the Lord's, and everything in it." You're not the owner, you're the manager. That changes everything. Step 2: Create a written financial plan. Habakkuk 2:2 says, "Write the vision and make it plain." A budget is simply a written plan. Without one, your money decides where it goes. With one, you decide. Proverbs 21:5, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty." Planning isn't bondage. It's freedom. Every dollar gets an assignment. Step 3: Eliminate all debt. Proverbs 22:7 says, "The borrower is slave to the lender." List every debt smallest to largest. Attack the smallest first while making minimums on the rest. This creates momentum. When the smallest debt is gone, roll that payment into the next one. The snowball grows. Most families can be completely debt-free in 7 to 10 years using this method. Step 4: Build an emergency reserve. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This isn't for vacations, it's for genuine emergencies. Be prepared like Joseph was. Step 5: Invest for the future. Proverbs 21:20 says, "The wise store up treasure." Once debt-free with an emergency fund, invest 15% for retirement. Compound interest is powerful. Ecclesiastes 11:2, "Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread investments across stocks, bonds, real estate. Step 6: Give with extravagant joy. Acts 20:35, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Giving is the finish line of financial freedom. Step 7: Teach the next generation. Proverbs 22:6, "Train up a child in the way he should go." Your children are watching how you handle money. Teach them these principles early. Imagine your grandchildren never knowing the stress of debt. Growing up knowing how to budget, save, invest, and give. That is the legacy you build with this blueprint. That is generational wealth. Start today. Not tomorrow. Pick one step and take action. Write your budget. List your debts. Open a savings account. One step of obedience triggers God's blessing. Subscribe for more wisdom. God bless you.